What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today we're going to be doing a FIONA reverse dip. Now I copied a recipe as best I could, and these are the colors that we're working with: fluorescent pink, magenta, cadmium red, and then a titanium white. The recipe is kind of complicated, so I will have it in the description for you. The cerulean blue is going to be our background. All right. So we're going to have a lot of rolling under, because I'd prefer not using a base coat yet, if I don't have to. Get it to start flowing over the sides. And I picked these colors just because I thought they would look nice together, so hopefully they do. This must have been some pretty old paint, because it's got some chunks in it. Dang it. It's okay. This red is just really smooth. And we're going to put this titanium white. This has all the ingredients in it, so that hopefully we'll get some really awesome looking lacing and like cell effects out of it. That would be great. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm having a great time here in the Phoenix land. It's warming up again. Beautiful. Maybe a little more to get it. Now what I have noticed is this consistency is really thick too. I guess that helps with the lines. And then we're going to add some more white. You know what? I might put just a little tiny splash of blue, trying to tie it into what's behind it. Not too much, just a little. When she does it though, when Fiona does this, she makes it look so easy. I'm finding it difficult just to get the paint to flow over the edges. Maybe my paint's too thick, but I mean, I'm pretty sure I copied it to the same recipe. All right. Well, let's wrap this one up. Let's get a little bit of that pink to flow over the sides. And then we can put our background color down. I like how it's got the little tiny bit of blue. Not a whole lot. All right, so I've seen Fiona blow, so let me blow. I think she does that to get most of the paint off the top. So we're not wasting too much paint. Set that over there. Let me put a couple, just make some puddles in it. Not looking for anything super big. I think if I would have done it a little while longer, it would have actually filled up the center. But it just didn't fill it up, so now I gotta do this. We're gonna make it look maybe one more little spot of white. last bit will be this fluorescent pink. this out the way. And now we at least have something in the middle. First things first, let me draw my lines. Because I'm trying to keep this as close to FIONA's as possible. All right, so she just goes out from the middle through each petal. That looks really cool already. I am excited. All right, let's get all of this out of here. Let's put our cerulean blue on. We're gonna lose some of this, but not too much. And I know I'm going over the spikes that we made, and I'll probably just make them again. Let's see. Get a nice, just something to flow over. Well, so far everything's working out really well. Now, I have to hope I mixed her medium up properly. Pretty sure I did. But we will know here in about 30 seconds. So I have a paper towel that I've ripped off. I'm gonna use my spray bottle and just dampen it a little bit. This thing down, trying to be careful with it. And then she just goes, I think her napkins are bigger too, but that don't matter. Ooh, it's pulling all that paint off. Might have to make more to get the outside good again. Ooh, I think it's working. Oh, wow. That is pretty. Oh my goodness. Only thing, yeah, there's just a ton of paint here. I'm leaving that the way it is. Wow, that is so pretty. It's almost like a poinsettia with a little blue in it. Whoa, dude, that is cool. All right, so let me spin it. First, we'll torch it. I know there's bubbles. I had to mix some of the colors today, so. I know there's some colors in here, or bubbles rather. All right, well, I think we're ready. I'm liking the way these cells are developing. It's really nice. All right, we'll just slow it down. Oh, that is perfect. Wow. That thing has so many awesome little patterns in it. Wow. I'm gonna have to mix up some cerulean blue and cover up the bare spots from the paper towel. I'm not entirely sure how that happened, but we have to fix that. But yeah, let me bring you guys down. I want you to see this thing. It looks so good. This came out even better than I had hoped. I started touching up the blue around the sides. There's still a couple spots that I gotta get to. I love this. This is so cool. I'm just imagining all the different color variants.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.